Welcome back to our homeschooling series, everyone. As many academic spaces are winding down the first portion of schooling for the year and preparing for their much needed break, we get to regroup and address a hot topic for homeschooling. So, as some may think about what next in terms of their academic pursuits, we can address a really important quote unquote elephant in the room. Therefore, today we're tackling another common challenge faced by homeschooling parents: curriculum overload. That's right. It's easy to be overwhelmed by the sheer number of curriculum options available. In this video, we'll dive into the pitfalls of overloading your child with too much, and more importantly, we'll share practical strategies to find that perfect balance. So, if you've ever felt swamped by curriculum choices, tune in and let's talk about it. Now, if you're new here, my name is Ree, and I'm a fellow homeschooling mom that's also a professional educator. And on this channel, we discuss homeschooling, all things education related, and personal care topics like extracurricular activities for adults, quality time with friends and family that support adults in having, a more blissfully connected family, as well as mental health needs. I would love for you to subscribe to our channel and join our family. So if you find this content enjoyable, please consider subscribing today. Now, in the world of homeschooling, we're fortunate to have a vast array of curriculum choices at our fingertips. It's like being a kid in a candy store with endless possibilities for creating a customized education. The appeal lies in the freedom to choose what aligns best with your child's learning style, their interests, and your family's values. However, with this abundance of options comes a potential challenge: curriculum overload. That's right. The appeal of homeschooling curriculum lies in its adaptability and customization. It allows us to choose what and how our children learn, catering to their individual needs and passions. This flexibility grants parents and students the freedom to explore subjects deeply or adapt the curriculum to their pace. So let's unpack all of this and just think about how to harness it to create a fulfilling homeschool experience. Now, with an extensive array of homeschooling materials available, the sheer abundance can sometimes feel like diving into an ocean without a compass. Yep, the wealth of choices is both a blessing and a challenge. Parents often find themselves amid a sea of curriculum options, each promising excellence and tailored learning experiences. But this multitude of choices can be overwhelming, leading to decision paralysis. Sorting through the plethora of materials to find the perfect fit can be a daunting task. However, navigating wisely and understanding your child's needs, interests, and your educational objectives for them, you can chart a course through this ocean of options, ultimately finding the gems that perfectly align with your homeschooling journey. Now, curriculum overload can quickly turn the educational adventure into a stressful journey. The quest for providing the best often leads to an overwhelming pile of desire to, get through the materials that you're looking at, which causes stress, overwork, and eventual burnout. Parents driven by the desire to offer a comprehensive education can inadvertently overload themselves and their children with too many resources. This abundance, while promising, can weigh heavily, impacting not just academic progress, but also emotional well being. Balancing the desire for a rich education without overload is crucial. Because of this, it's vital to recognize when there's too much on the plate, allowing for a recalibration towards a more manageable, enriching, and enjoyable learning experience for everyone involved. Now, I remember I met a couple a year ago that chose homeschooling for their kids. The mother, being a stay at home mom, was also a dedicated homeschooling parent, just trying to offer the best education for her kids. In case she comes across this video, I'll change her name while sharing her story. So, Mary was determined to provide her kids with the best academic experience possible. As a result, she found herself buried under an avalanche of curriculum options. Each promised success, but the multitude overwhelmed her. She tried juggling multiple subjects, resources, and lesson plans, but it became a Herculean type task, causing her stress and fatigue. Her children, instead of thriving, felt the weight of expectations. Recognizing the strain, Mary took a step back. She reassessed her approach to the materials and her overall approach of what she desired to focus on. So instead, she then made sure her focus was on the quality rather than the quantity. And when she did that, she streamlined everything to suit her children's interests and pacing. She restored balance. Today, her and her husband, along with their kids, they enjoy a more manageable, enriching homeschooling journey, one that nurtures curiosity and growth without overwhelming their days. Yes, that's right. And so, amidst the sea of curriculum options, prioritizing key subjects can be a game changer. So, what should we do? Identify core subjects vital to your child's academic growth and focus on those. Consider their learning style and their interests. This knowledge can shape your curriculum choices. Tailoring materials to resonate with how your child learns best fosters engagement and retention. Mix and match over quantity matters. Okay, so you want to mix and you want to match resources. You want to allow flexibility for personalized learning paths. Now, you got to remember quality over quantity always. It's not about covering everything, but ensuring meaningful, in depth learning experiences. By honing in on key subjects aligned with your child's style and your child's passions, you create a foundation for an enriching homeschool journey. Now, another benefit of homeschooling allows one to realize that customizing is a superpower. Yes, tailoring the curriculum to suit your child's unique needs and interests is where the magic actually happens. Unlike traditional schooling, the flexibility in homeschooling allows you to pivot and personalize. It's the ability to, adapt materials, pace, and teach according to the styles that match your child's learning rhythm that sets homeschooling apart. Embracing this flexibility not only caters to your child's strengths, but also nurtures their passions. It's the beauty of creating an educational journey that aligns perfectly with your child's curiosities, their aspirations, and the way they absorb knowledge. This customization empowers you to create a learning experience that truly unlocks their potential and sparks a lifelong love for learning in your children. While a comprehensive curriculum forms the backbone of education, it's equally vital to allow room for exploration, creativity, and real life experiences. Beyond textbooks and structured lessons, there's a world of learning waiting to be discovered. Engaging in hobbies, field trips, hands on projects, and real world applications enriches education in ways that books alone can't. These experiences cultivate curiosity, problem solving skills, and critical thinking. Balancing a well rounded curriculum with time for exploration nurtures creativity, instills a love for discovery, and prepares children for the complexities of the real world. It's this harmonious blend that crafts a holistic educational journey, shaping well rounded individuals ready to conquer life's challenges. Now, in conclusion, the quest for the perfect curriculum often leads to an overwhelming abundance of choices. While a rich educational experience is vital, navigating the maze of options can be daunting. It's crucial to find balance. What do I mean by this? It's important that parents prioritize key subjects, customize materials to fit young, children's needs, and embrace flexibility. Remember, it's not about covering everything, but providing meaningful, tailored learning experiences. And by striking this balance, you at that point are allowing room for exploration and real world adventures. Here, we create an educational journey that fosters curiosity, creativity, and growth. So let's prioritize quality over quantity and craft a curriculum that nurtures not just academic excellence, but a lifelong love for learning. And with that, I just want to say I wish you all a day full of love, joy, and peace. Bye for now, everyone.